Knowing what your competitors are doing and discovering the latest trends in your industry are important activities of a successful business. This information allows you to stay ahead of the pack, foresee future opportunities, and even gain competitive advantage. However, competitive intelligence gathering ends up being very labor-intensive and costly for businesses that perform this task manually, particularly due to its poor scalability, which often results in missed information. Using an automated competitive intelligence solution built with PolyAnalyst, you can easily monitor hundreds of online data sources, helping you track the activity of your competitors and discover the latest industry news. This type of solution consolidates the analysis tasks required for identifying critical information about the competitive landscape, helping you keep pace with fast-moving industries that are quickly changing. The solution utilizes PolyAnalyst data pooling features, allowing you to access and load data in all its forms from a variety of news sources and merge this information into a single analysis scheme. The natural language processing engines of the system quickly analyze the text and identify sources with the most pertinent information. With the built-in relationship extraction feature, the system analyzes the text results for mergers and acquisitions, subsidiaries, partnerships, and other relationships among the companies you're interested in monitoring. Customized entities can also be prepared to track key technologies your competitors are working on and discover emerging technologies in the news and other media. And in addition to performing customized industry profiling, the competitive intelligence solution provides an automated messaging system to notify you of new activity for any companies or technologies you're especially interested in tracking. With convenient built-in data visualizations and interactive web-based reporting, the competitive intelligence solution arms you with the information you need to stay ahead of the competition and upgrade your long-term business strategy. For more information on our competitive intelligence solutions, please follow the link below.